Hi, I'm Kerry from eSpares, and in this video I'm going to show you how to replace the belt on a Whirlpool washing machine. You will know the belt in your washing machine is faulty if the drum is no longer turning during cycles. However, it might also be a chance that the belt has come loose. Either way, this is something that we can fix at home, so let's take a look. To carry out this repair, you will need a Torx T20 screwdriver, a pair of safety gloves and a small cable tie. You may also need a new belt, so we'll include a link to where you can buy a new belt for a Whirlpool washing machine in the description below. And remember, safety first. Always make sure you switch off your appliance and unplug it from the mains before carrying out any work. To access the belt, you will need to remove the back panel, and to do this you just need to remove the 6 screws. Once the screws are removed, you can go ahead and remove the back panel and put it somewhere safe. You will now be able to see the belt inside the machine. It should be fitted around the pulley and the motor spindle. Now, if the belt has fallen off but is otherwise in good condition, all you need to do is to refit it over the pulley and the spindle, with the track side facing inwards. This should fix the problem. If the belt has snapped or is worn in any way, then the belt will need to be replaced. So let's take a look at how to do that now. Because my hands are going to be in and around the pulley, I've popped my safety gloves on for this part. To remove the faulty belt from the machine, if the belt has snapped, you can simply just pull it out from where it's fallen. However, if the belt is in place but the tracks are worn down, you will need to remove it from the spindle and the pulley. To do this, first carefully remove the bottom from the motor spindle and then lift it off the pulley. Now it's time to fit your new belt. However, before buying your new belt, you need to make sure that you have your appliance's model number. This is to ensure that you have the correct part for your make and model. Now, if you're not sure what the model number is or where to find it, then check out our video of finding your washing machine's model number here. To fit a new belt can be really hard, so we have a top tip for you using a cable tie. This part is easier without your gloves because it can be quite fiddly. Make sure the rib side of your belt is in contact with the outside of the pulley and then cable tie them both together. With my gloves back on, move your pulley all the way around until the cable tie is at the top. And then again, with rib side facing your spindle, make sure it's right in the middle. With it now on the spindle, make sure that this side is in line with your pulley and is taut. And this side will be okay because we're going to move around the front of the machine to complete the refitting of the belt. Now, at the front of your machine, rotate the drum manually anti-clockwise in a steady pace, and the belt will fit around the pulley. You should hear it click into place. Now, at the back of the machine again, you will notice that the cable tie just removes itself. Double check the pulley and the belt just to make sure that the belt is on correctly. Finally, it's time to refit the back panel and secure it with the 6 screws that you removed earlier. And there you have it, how to replace the belt on a Whirlpool washing machine. The drum should be spinning properly once more. It's also important to make sure that you are using it as safely as possible. So check out our video on important washing machine safety checks to learn more. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for appliance repairs, maintenance guides and all things eSpares. Thanks for watching.